everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make lemon crinkle cookies. Spring is right around the corner, and when I think of spring, I think of lemon. I just love anything lemon. It's that tartness from the lemon juice and the lemon zest that you get when you add it to cakes or cookies or into anything. Today's video is part of a collaboration called All Things Spring, and it's hosted by my friends Christy from Christy's Farmhouse and Melissa from I'm Merrily Melissa. And I'll have the playlist in my description below. This lemon crinkle cookie that I'm going to share with you is one of my favorites, so let's get started. I want to combine my sugar and my lemon zest together in a bowl, and I'm going to take the sugar and I'm going to pinch it between my fingers with the lemon zest, and this is going to release the oils from the zest. I've added my butter into the bowl of my stand mixer, and now we're going to add in the sugar and this lemon zest. We'll beat our lemon zest, sugar, and butter on medium-high speed for about 1 minute. We're going to add in a 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice. I'm going to add in an egg, as well as a teaspoon of vanilla. We're going to beat all of this together for about 1 minute on high speed. As you're beating your mixture together, it's going to appear curdled, and that's okay. This is what I'm talking about. And again, that's all right, because as soon as we add our dry ingredients, all of that will go away. This is 2½ cups of flour, and to that, I'm adding some baking soda, cornstarch, and some salt. This is a 4-cup measuring cup. I'm just going to mix it together in here. It's big enough, and I'm just using my little mini whisk. This seems to do the trick. Now we'll pour our dry ingredients into our mixer, and all we're going to do is turn our mixer onto low speed and just mix it until it's just combined. Now here's what our dough looks like after we have combined all of the ingredients. It's really, really sticky. The key to any good crinkle cookie is to refrigerate the dough before we bake. At least 3 hours. You can even refrigerate this overnight, because otherwise it will just spread out into a gloppy mess, and we don't want that. We're back and we're ready for the next step in our lemon crinkle cookies. You'll notice that I have powdered sugar here, which is normal for a regular crinkle cookie, but I also have granulated sugar. And when you have citrus, like we have in our lemon crinkle cookie, it's going to really absorb the powdered sugar quickly. I guess it's the acidity, and we're going to first roll them in granulated and then drop them in the powdered sugar. Now you can see here the dough is a lot firmer. Drop it in the granulated sugar, and then we're going to drop in the powdered sugar like that. I'm going to get my first 12 cookies scooped out before we roll them up in the granulated sugar and the powdered sugar. It's just a lot easier to have them all done at one time. And if I didn't say so, this is my medium cookie scoop that I'm using. Okay, here we go. And we're going to bake these at 350 degrees for about 10 to 13 minutes. I'll check them at 10, see where we're at. They may need to go a little longer than 13. I can't wait to show you what these look like when they're ready to come out of the oven. And here we go. I think these turned out really, really well. I think they look fantastic. We're going to let them cool on this cookie sheet for about 5 minutes. Then we'll transfer them to a wire rack. Thanks for joining me today, everyone. I really hope you try this recipe out. And if you do, let me know how it worked out for you. Don't forget about the playlist in the description below. It will have other recipes and other ideas for springtime. Many thanks to my friends Christy and Melissa for hosting this spring collaboration. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll see you next time.